Time to check the oil in the combine. Let's see if I can do this. Nope. Let's see if this works. Okay. Turn it around. Check the oil in the combine before we get started today. Looks like I got a little stick back here. Put my flag extensions on too. But first things first, most importantly, probably should put a little in. Hydraulic is good. Okay. Well, I haven't had too much time to video today. I try not to do too much when Huds is in the combine. Just a little bit more to keep an eye on, but overall 28 acres in, plus another 6, so 34 acres total of the 150. I guess to put it in quick summary, it's been a bit of a disappointment this year in terms of yield. Moisture has been great. It's been down in the 15, 16, 17 range. But yield right now is, I don't know, probably 20% less than normal. You look at this and it doesn't look like it'd be too bad, but then it's just not adding up. So still thankful to God for the growing season, and there's more fields. We'll see what the other properties look like. Maybe it's just this one. Yeah, maybe flip it around a little bit. With Hudson Road with me, we've learned that I need to keep it on the roads a little bit more. Sometimes you can tell that it's just kind of pushing it in, but still good. I'm going to turn it just because I am on a end row part where the road clutches and shut stuff off, and just want to make sure I'm in the right spot. Okay, back good again. Yeah, we're going. It's going. The weather's great for harvest. If it stays like this, I'll be able to get some fall tillage in too. I have the entire week off from work, so that's going to be nice. Typically, it's a Thursday and Friday. Try to get as much done as I can. This may be able to slow go it a little bit more. Don't want to get too confident. Have any issues, so we'll keep going. It's the 21st of October today, so earlier than normal. It's just a case of the as you've watched other videos, that September drought really sped everything up. But overall, you can see in the tank, I'd be curious, other guys that are watching this that have been out harvesting, For me, I'm taking a lot more traction just because the tops of the stalk are brittle, so it's a little bit tougher to clean that part up, but you know, I'm trying to do my best. But it is coming off the ear pretty well, so I'll keep that, and yeah. So I won't hide it. This is normally a good part of the field in terms of like really good part. So even though it's, you know, creeping up to 150, that part of the field is normally around 200. So yeah, it's running about 25% less than normal in most of the spots, and then it just goes back down. So you can see on the field, the red, you know, that's not abnormal. It's just there hasn't been the really good parts of the field to offset that this year. So just so everybody can see it, not gonna lie, and they're not gonna make it seem like I'm getting better yields. They're lower than I would have thought this year. So well, next thing you know, it's dark out already, but have about 10 more acres to go. So we'll get it finished. Well, that's a wrap for this field. And it's dark.